Hello and welcome to the video. I hope you're doing well. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week we're in Mirror, Alberta, a hamlet located in the county of Lacombe, 52 kilometers northeast of Red Deer. Now the weatherman got me again. He told me that the wind would die down about the same time we arrived, but instead it picked up. In 1911, the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway built a branch line from southern Alberta to connect Edmonton and Calgary, running the railroad through Tofield, down to Camrose, west of Buffalo Lake, across the Red Deer River, towards Trochu, Three Hills, Bicycle, and southwest Calgary. The railroad was also expected to pass through the Lamerton trading post. However, they ran into difficulty when they were trying to purchase the land, and they constructed their divisional point 2 miles to the south. This resulted in the village of Mirror being established. The construction of the railway in Mirror caused Lamerton to be quickly abandoned, with its residents and many of its buildings being moved to Mirror. Introduction and increasing popularity of diesel-powered engines, a divisional point between Edmonton and Calgary was no longer necessary, rendering the facilities at Mirror obsolete. The roundhouse was eventually closed and leveled, and all the bustle and activity that marked the village for so many decades slowly died out as the majority of railroad personnel were either transferred to other areas or retired. As the railroads left, the local economy declined, and the village of Mirror dissolved into a hamlet in 2004. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members that you think may enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video, click or tap on the thumbs up icon. And if you so desire, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next time, bye-bye.